Welcome at Pizza and More. The video today is a bit spontaneous. I thought I make this recipe today, what I bake right now, and I thought let's make a video of it. I'm pretty sure if you've been in Italy, you already have eaten it when you are in a restaurant or when you are in a supermarket or somewhere else. No, it's not grissini. I'm Jürgen and we make today Taralli Pugliesi. You may know these small dough rings from what you get before eating in a restaurant. But these are the small ones, as I said. If you maybe have been to Naples already, in Naples there are also taralli available, but the taralli are far bigger and with almonds. But the taralli from Puglia are a bit smaller, but also super fantastic. I make today the classic ones. So if you want to then have maybe some other tastes in these taralli, you can make this, because the classic ones are the base, and if you want to add some cayenne pepper or fennel or somewhat else, you can do this. Everything is possible. And now I show you the ingredients. The list of ingredients is the same short like with a pizza. I have here 500 grams of Typo zero flour, all-purpose flour. This is 125 grams of olive oil. This is 200 grams of white wine and 8 grams of fine sea salt. I put everything together now into a mixer and I knead a proper elastic dough. It will take around 20 minutes. After a kneading time of good 20 minutes, I took the dough already out of the machine. I formed a ball and I put this ball right now into a container. I close the lid and this dough comes now for 30 minutes into the fridge. In the meanwhile, during the dough is in the fridge, you could prepare already a pot with boiling water and add some salt into the water. After 30 minutes, we take the dough out of the box and we divide them into two pieces, and one of those pieces comes back into the bowl and we close the lid so that it does not get dry, and we continue with one of these two pieces. We roll now and then we start cutting it into small pieces. Then we start at the beginning again and we roll a little bit and then we put it back and let it rest for some minutes, and then we continue with the next one, and we do this with all of them right now. And maybe you saw right now, when the dough is stressed and when the dough is not totally relaxed, it's very hard to shape those pieces. So therefore, start at the beginning, go through, then the first already can relax again, and then you can do it a second time or a third time. When you have then these pieces in a bigger size, then you divide it only by 2. If this is a bigger one, a thicker one, a longer one, then make 3 pieces and then roll as well. And we roll until we have a diameter of each from round about a half centimeter, so 5 millimeters. After we rolled all of them, we form some round shapes and we press the ends together. And we do this with all of them. We have here already our pot with boiling water with boiling salty water. And here we add them now and let them cook for a very short while. As soon as they swim, they are ready and can be removed, and they need to be placed somewhere where they can dry, and we let them dry for around 10 to 15 minutes. With the second half of the dough we do exactly the same, and in the meanwhile we preheat our kitchen oven to 280 degrees with ventilation. And then we put our dried taralli. Of course they are really looking like calamari, but we are putting them onto a baking tray, and then they come into the oven for around 25 minutes until they are golden and crispy. After good 30 minutes I took the taralli out of the oven. It's always better to let them inside until they are getting a really nice colored, because if they are too white, the taste of these taralli is not that delicious as if they are really very well cooked. During baking I opened the oven door sometimes to let all the humidity out of the oven. Then these taralli get quicker, more crispy. And now they have to cool down and then to be stored on a dry place, and you can serve them together with wine, together with olives, or however. It's fantastic. They are really delicious. If you like my video, it would be fantastic if you would subscribe my channel, and then we see us in the next video. Ciao.